Welcome back. We're going to write the equation in slope-intercept form. Let's write down slope. I'm going to leave it a blank. Intercept form. So here you put slope, here you put y-intercept. With the given slope and y-intercept, super simple. Slope, put in, y-intercept, put it in. Now, the only thing you need to do is to simplify. Y equals 3x, add, subtract, which is subtract 10. That is how we use this. One more. Let's practice one more. So slope is, let's use a fraction, negative 2 over 3. And let's put the negative sign here, make it looking better. And the y-intercept, this time let's do a positive 10. Okay? All right. Remember, your form is slope and y-intercept. Put in the slope and put in the y-intercept. And let's read aloud. Our final equation is y equals negative 2/3 x plus 10. That is how you write a slope-intercept form with the given information. Happy learning!